Hello and welcome back to English Pathshala by Dixit ma'am. I am Hema Dixit and today I will show you 10 common English mistakes that many learners in India make and how to correct them easily. So let's begin. I am having a car. No, I have a car. Myself Dixit ma'am. No, I am Dixit ma'am, or you can say my name is Dixit ma'am. He do not know. He does not know. She is more better. No, she is better. Order for food. Order food. Discuss about this. Discuss this. He came back to home. He came home. I didn't knew. I didn't know. Give exam. Take the exam. I'm going for shopping. No, I'm going shopping. So with this, I come to an end of the topic. How many of these did you already know? Let me know in the comments. And if you like the video, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.